Hey, I'm going to take you through the installation of the RTAS server. So I have the installer builds downloaded in the download directory. Clicking on next, accepting the license agreement, and I provide a valid server name. And for the license server, RTAS doesn't require a license server. However, for the execution, you need to point it out to the RTW floating license server. So if you have a previous installation of RTAS and if you want to back up the data here, you can specify yes or else no. So it's preparing the server, and now the installation is completed. Let's view the RTAS. RTAS is up and running.